Hi, I'm Sandy Schroeck here with today's quick tip. With prom season coming up, we know that when we get dendrobiums in sometimes, we have some damaged petals. So today I'm going to teach you how to make a double dendrobium where you layer the two dendrobiums one on top of another, and so you create more of a composite flower. And so let's take a look at creating that. So as you've got your dendrobiums, you come in, you're going to be pinching off the blooms. And as you look at them, sometimes you see, like here, I have a petal in the back that's broken. So I'm going to actually remove that petal, and then I'm going to pinch off. You can see there's more of a point there, but I'm going to pinch that off right there. And then I'm going to take another dendrobium. Now this one is fully intact, and I just pinch off the back. So I pinch the stem right there, and then we're actually going to use the Oasis Floral Adhesive as my preferred adhesive, and we're going to come in and layer these one on top of another. So if you have a couple that have different broken stems, you're able to layer them. Now on here, what I need to do is just pinch out that nose of the dendrobium, so I have a little bit more flat surface to glue to. So you can glue one into the other, and they become a composite flower. And so you can see it creates a larger bloom, and that way I don't have any waste with any of my dendrobiums, and I'm able to create more of a statement. So let's take a look here and just do another one. Those are two really good blooms. Let's find one here. Okay, here I've got a broken petal right there. So I'm going to remove that. We're just going to do the process one more time. So I'm going to pinch that stem right there, and then I'm going to pinch off that point down on the bottom, come into the other one, and I'm going to go in and just pinch out that nose. Now, if you don't have nails like I do, of course, you could go in with the scissors and cut that nose out. But here now we're going to take and we're going to do a nice amount of glue that comes in, and just bring it and bring one into the other and kind of turn them a little bit so that you get extra texture on that, and you can kind of see the two throats going two different directions. So that creates visual interest, and you can see how now these two flowers really go together really well to create a statement piece. All right, so here you can see how the two flowers come together and create a great piece. Here it's created into a corsage, and I've used some of the green trick dianthus and some Italian ruscus to form the base, and you can see how the two come together to create an impactful piece for your customers. Here you can see that I've done it with a white dendrobium, and we've utilized the material and created kind of a crescent line with that, but you can see how impactful they are. We do have some little gems, so you can even use some of these sticker gems to bring in some bling right into your corsages as well, and those would match your wristlet bracelets potentially. It can be done in any color, and you can see how impactful it is, and also profitable because you're not wasting any blooms. So I hope you'll take this idea of creating some double dendrobiums, eliminate some of your waste, and create some impactful designs for your customers.